I was in such a foreign environment, and I learned how to thrive despite that. The Global Atmosphere Watch Observatory, or the GA Lab, is located 6 kilometers off station. 3 days a week we would drive out there and we would collect samples, work with the equipment, collect data.
Our group really focused on learning about the efforts around poverty, food insecurity, and racism within Mississippi. It really highlighted the work that the civil rights movement has brought to society.
We were developing a new delivery technique with these nanoparticles that's currently being patented. Experiential learning to me is the ability to get real-world perspective into what it's actually like in a job application and get an idea of beyond the theoretical stuff that you're seeing in your courses and being able to build your resume throughout your undergraduate career.